Good evening, everyone. It's December 18th, 2023, and per expectations, not a lot of dramatic action today. We did get a gap up. We opened at, what was that, 47.82. That was about 3 points above the prior high. This is looking a bit weird on the SPY just because of that dividend stuff. But we did gap up on the futures, unable to close the gap. Tried to sell off of that kind of 90 area, like last week's high sort of thing. Maybe I should open that up on the futures chart. Here you go. We tried to sell off of this sort of area last week's high. I was short there and just unable to rotate down to the open at 82s. Instead, further lift upwards. Euro close, no move back down. Again, further lift, and then just chop from 12-ish until pretty much the close, and then they dumped it. Uh, so far, the overnight session spending just about every tick above the value area high. Yeah, that came in at 47.88, so the overnight low at 87.75. So this thing is plenty bid. That is the prior week's high there at 91.75, where we are trading right now. Um, Here's how I'm looking at this thing. There is the all-time high in gold, 48.08 quarter. Uh, if we're able to stay above the prior week's high at 91s, 91.75, this thing's going to be a buy on dip to me. Anywhere around kind of 91 to 86. There's a pivot thing at 87-ish. This thing is just going to be a buy on dip to me. That's how I'm looking at it. Maybe you get a bit of a short off 99, but I wouldn't trade it. And then I think we'll go ahead and make our way to the all-time high. 78s to me looks to be an area to get bid. Now, noting that we have not broken a prior day's low in, I don't even know how many days. It's been what? Today we didn't. Yesterday, sorry, Friday we didn't. Thursday we didn't. Wednesday we definitely did not. Tuesday, did we? I don't think so. Monday, no. The Friday before that, no. Yeah, it's been weeks, I think, um, since we've broken a prior day's low. So if we do, I don't think it's going to come apart all at once. So I'll be getting long somewhere around 78. So that looks like the level to me. That's where we kept getting offered off of on Friday. Uh, the T plus 2 highs coming in at 79-ish, 79.5. The daily low came in at 80 quarter, I think, right? Yeah, 80 quarter. So I think we run those stops at 80 quarter, runs down, runs down, runs down. Hopefully catch a bid around 78, and then we can move back up. If we do not get a bid, I think this thing rotates down to 66s, and that's where I want to be bid. That's right around the weekly close. That's right around the point of control. I think that's at 66 quarter. That's where we were staying really bid nicely on Friday, and that's where we were chopping around on Friday as well. I know that there is some sort of level, yeah, see where we sold off of that 64ish kind of spot. I think I took that long maybe on Thursday or Friday. Can't remember, but I think 66 will work perfectly fine. On the NASDAQ into uncharted territory. I know the cash session over here does have a little bit of room to the all-time high, so maybe we go ahead and tag that tomorrow. I've got no levels at these numbers. We're nearing 17,000. That sounds like a nice target to me. Um, we did get a point of control shift late in the day, so value area high is pretty much the same price as the daily high. So currently we are just trading inside value, and value area low coming in at 881. Prior week's high coming in at 887. Where is that? Right around here. 887. Yeah, there we go. 887. This looks like to be a level to me. 872 as short there, and there you can see got a really nice bid there. Once we cleared it, that's where I'll probably look to get long. 872-ish. Maybe I'll take 887. I don't know. Below that, and you start getting into accepting value area low, and I think you'd rotate down to this 811 level. It's been a really nice spot. 811, 806, anywhere around there. And then below there, I think this is kind of the last spot you'd want to be long. This prior all-time high at 767 and 745, just that really nice level as well. I can see really great bids there. Held the offer down for a bit. Uh, that's how I'm looking at this thing. I don't have any levels up here, so I got nothing to show. I don't know. Maybe you can do something like this, but that's about it. Um, yeah. Once again. I know I said I was looking to buy dips today, and then I ended up shorting this thing, but it didn't rotate down, so I didn't get a chance to buy a dip. I shorted 47.90 and I shorted 872s, and both were okay for scalps, but I didn't get a chance to get long. Yeah, for tomorrow. Long 872, maybe 887. I'll have to think about it in the morning. Long 811s, long 767, 745. Beyond that, and we're likely getting into kind of 200 points would be a little bit abnormally large given today's range was something like, 100, 150, 130. Yeah, below there I don't want to get long. ES, that's a spot, 99. I'm not going to trade it. 08's the all-time high, so that's going to be the target. 90s look like a decent spot to get long, perhaps 86s as well. I don't know. That looks decent. 88. I don't know. I'll have to think about this kind of area. Uh, yeah, these pivot things tend to get tagged. That's the thing. Below there, 78-ish. Maybe it's 79.5. Maybe it's 80 quarter. I don't know, somewhere around there. Upper 70s, lower 80s, and then last spot I'd want to get long is probably 47.66 half. Anyway, hope that makes sense. Hope that helps. Have a great night. Trade safe.